Hi everyone, good morning. So yesterday we are discussed about the rational trigonometric functions. So the rational trigonometric functions, so in this case also four types are there. Four types. Already we discussed yesterday the type 1. The type 1, the integrations is in the form of a plus b cos square x into dx, a plus b cos square x into dx, and another one 1 upon a plus b sin square x into dx. After that 1 upon a cos square x plus b sin x cos x and c sin square x dx, integral 1 upon a cos square x, b sin x cos x and c sin square x, and the last one is 1 upon a cos square x plus b sin square x into dx. So already yesterday we discussed about the a 1 upon a plus b cos square, a plus b sin square x, 1 upon a cos square x plus b into sin x into cos x plus c sin square x, and 1 upon a cos square x plus b sin square x. The above these four we can evaluate these four integrals. We have to make a multiplication with the secant square x, both numerator and denominator. Are you understand? We multiply with secant square x with numerator and denominator. So first of all, the numerator is multiple with here secant square x, that is secant square x into dx, a into secant square x. Secant square into cos square is the reciprocal. So if the denominator either cos square or sin square, both cos square and sin square, first of all we have to take the numerator and the denominator, both are multiple with secant square x. After that we are taking tan x equal to t. The derivative of tan is the secant square x dx equal to dt. This is the type 1. So already we completed one example yesterday. Therefore now we are going to discuss another example, that is the integral 1 upon 2 sin square x plus 3 sin x into cos x minus 2 cos square x into dx. So what is you can observe this is the type 1 in the rational trigonometric functions. This is the type 1. When we are observe, if the denominator is one of the sin square or cos square or sin x into cos x, undoubtedly we have to multiple with secant square x, both numerator and denominator. Multiply with secant square x with the numerator, multiply with both the numerator and the denominator with secant square x. So multiply both numerator and denominator with secant square x. Therefore now we are getting here secant square x into dx. Here secant square x is nothing but 1 by cos square x. Secant square x is the reciprocal of cos, 1 by cos square x. Now this is sin square by cos square is the tan square. Now this is the 2 tan square x. After that we can write 3 sin x cos x, 1 by cos square x. Now this is the 3 into tan x. Then you can write finally minus 2 cos square x by cos square x is the 1. Now we know that when we can multiple with both numerator and denominator with secant square x, After that, we are taking the tan x equal to t. So, what is the another observation is, we are taking now the tan x equal to t. Let tan x equal to t. Now differentiating on both sides. When we can differentiating on both sides, the derivative of the tan x is the secant square x into dx. The derivative of the tan x is the secant square x into dx. The derivative of t is the dt. Therefore, secant square x into dx is the dt. Therefore, this is integral secant square x into dx is the dt whole by, now this is tan x, we are taking the t. Tan x, we are taking the t. Therefore, now this is 2t square plus 3t minus 2. Is it clear? 2t square, 3t minus 2. Now, here, first we can thinking about the denominator, it will be the quadratic expression will be expanded into the two factors or not. If it is not adjust the factors, then we are go through the 9 integrals. So 9 standard type integrals. This will be either a square minus x square or a square plus x square or x square minus a square. First of all, we can check it is the quadratic expression can be expressed as the two factors or not. Undoubtedly, we are thinking here, undoubtedly 2 into 2, 4. 4 ones are 4, that is 4 minus 3 is the 3. Therefore, now we can write here, this is the factor 2t square plus 3t minus 2. 2 into 2 is the 4. 4 ones are 4. Therefore, now this is clear, 2t square plus 4t minus t minus 2. Is it okay? Now expand into the two factors. 2 into 2, 4. 4 ones are 4. Now this is 2t is the common factor, t plus 2. Minus 1 is the common factor, t plus 2. Now we are getting here the t plus 2 into 2t minus 1. These are the factors. T plus 2 into 2t minus 1. Now this expression 1 upon 2t square plus 3t minus 2. Is it okay? Now what is the here 1 upon 2t square plus 3t minus 2. Now this can be expanded into the two factors. What are the factors are? The factors are, the one of the factor is t plus 2. One of the factor is the t plus 2. And the other factor is the 2t minus 1. So when we can expand into the two factors, this is the method of the integration by the method of the partial fractions. Do we know that the first fraction can be written as a by t plus 2 and the second fraction is the b by 2t minus 1. How to resolve this one? Now we can write how to find the values of a and b. Now this is 1 equals to a into 2t minus 1 plus b into t plus 2. Is it okay? A into 2t minus 1, b into t plus 2. Therefore, now we can write here, put t equals to minus 2. Put t equal to minus 2. Therefore, this is a 1. Now a into 2 into minus 2 is the minus 4, minus 1 is the minus 5. Then it will be 0. Now we are getting a equal to minus 1 by 5 is the value of a. Is it okay? Now we are taking the value of t equal to 1 by 2. That implies we are putting in this. Therefore, substituting in this. Therefore, 1 equals 2. Now we can write 1 by 2. It will be 0. Now we are taking here b 1 by 2 plus 2. This is also 2 into 2 is the 4. Now the value of b. The value of b is the, this is the 5 by 4 sending to the other side. Now here looking 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Now this is the 5 by 2. This is sending to the other side, 2 by 5. Is it okay? Now here 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5b by 2. This is sending to the other side, 2 by 5. 2 by 5. Now these two values are substituting in this. The value of a is the minus 1 by 5 Now we can write the integral, the value of a minus 1 by 5. Now we can write the value of a is the minus 1 by 5. That is the t plus 2. 1 upon t plus 2. That is the dt. Now the another value of the value of b is the, what is the value of b? 2 by 5. Now this is 2 by 5. Now we can write 1 by 5. 2 into 1, 2 into dt by, we can substitute the b is the 2 by 5. Therefore 2 into 1, 2 by 5. Now this is the 2t minus 1. So now we know that the 1 upon t plus 2. This is the f dash of x by f of x. We know that f dash of x by f of x is the log mod of f of x. The integral f dash of x by f of x is the log mod of f of x. Here the derivative of t 1. The derivative of t is the 1. Therefore now we can write minus of 1 by 5, we are taking the common, minus f dash x by f of x is the log mod of f of x, that is log mod of t plus 2. Now we can write, we are taking 1 by 5 is the common. Here the derivative of 2t is the 2, derivative of minus 1, 0. This is also f dash of x by f of x. F dash of x by f of x is the log mod of f of x, that is the log mod of 2t minus 1, log mod of 2t minus 1. Finally this is log a minus log b. We know that this is the log a, this is compared with minus log b. Log a minus log b is the log of a by b. Log a minus log b is the log of a by b. Log of a by b is the 2t minus 1 by t plus 2 plus c. Is it clear? Log a minus log b. Log a minus log b is the log of a by b. Log of a by b is the 2t minus 1 upon t plus 2. Where t is the, what is the t here? Tan x. T is the tan x. That is 1 by 5 log mod of 2 into tan x minus 1. That is the tan x plus 2 plus c is the answer. 1 by 5 log mod of 2 tan x minus 1 by tan x plus 2 is the final answer. Is it okay? 1 by 5 log mod of 2 tan x minus 1 by tan x plus 2. So how to complete this one? First of all, when our integral is in the form of 1 upon integral 1 upon a cos square x plus b sin x cos x plus c sin square x into dx. Undoubtedly, we have to multiple with numerator and denominator with the secant square x. Then we are taking the tan x equal to t. The differentiating on both sides, the derivative of tan x is the secant square x into dx equal to dt. These are all substituting this. We are getting a quadratic expression in the denominator. So now this denominator is expanded into the two factors. This is expanded to the two factors. When we are getting the two factors, this is the integration by the method of the partial fractions. That it can be written as a by b by. How to solve this a and b values are? We are taking the LCM this one. Therefore a into this one, b into this one. After that we can put t equal to minus 2. We are getting a. Put t equal to 1 by 2. We are getting b. These two values are substituted in this. We are getting minus of 1 by 5 t plus 2, and the value of b is the 2 by 5 by 2t minus 1. 2 by 5 by 2t minus 1. Now we can apply the integral minus of 1 by 5 integral 1 upon t plus 2 plus 1 by 5 2 into dt by 2t minus 1. After that, these two are compared with the f dash of x by f of x is the log mod of f of x. Here also f dash of x by f of x is the log mod of f of x. Log a minus log b is the log of a by b, where t is the tan x, where t is the tan x here. That is the 1 by 5. We are taking the common in this 1 by 5. Therefore t is the tan x. 1 by 5 log 2 tan x minus 1 by tan x plus 2 is the answer. Is it okay? So now we are going to discuss about another type in the rational trigonometric functions. So the type 2, to evaluate the integrals of the type. To evaluate the integrals of the type. Integral 1 upon a plus b cos x, integral 1 upon a plus b sin x into dx, integral 1 upon a cos x plus b sin x into dx, and finally the integral 1 upon a cos x plus b sin x plus c. So to evaluate these type of integrals, we have to take the suitable substitution. We make a suitable substitution is tan x by 2 is the t. Tan x by 2 is the t. So when we are taking the tan x by 2 is the t, we know that cos x is the form 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. We know that in first year, in multiple and submultiple angles, cos x is the form 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Sin x is the form, sin x is the 2 tan x by 2 upon 1 plus tan square x by 2. What is the form of sin x is 2 tan x by 2 upon 1 plus tan square x by 2. But the cos x is 1 minus tan square x by 2 upon 1 plus tan square x by 2. When we are taking the tan x by 2 is the t, we know that the derivative of the tan x is the secant square x by 2. The derivative of x by 2 is the 1 by 2 into dx equal to dt. The secant square x by 2 can be written as 1 plus tan square x by 2. 1 plus secant square theta is the 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square x by 2 dx equal to 2 into dt 2 dt. We are taking the tan x by 2 is the t. That's why this is the 1 plus t square into dx equal to 2 dt. Therefore dx is the 2 dt upon 1 plus t square. Is it okay? Now we can clear here the dx is the 2 dt upon 1 plus t square. So here tan x by 2 is the t. Therefore now this is 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. But the sin x is the 2t upon 1 plus t square. Cos x is the 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. Sin x is the 2t upon 1 plus t square. But the dx is the 2 dt upon 1 plus t square, where t is the tan x by 2. We can don't write the every time cos x is the form 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Sin x is the 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Now you can like this process, don't write them. You can simply write the dx is the 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Tan x by 2 is the t. Cos x is the 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Sin x is the 2t by 1 plus t square. Is it okay? If the integrals, here these are the 4 are there, here 4 are there. Therefore to evaluate these type of the integrals, we have to make a suitable substitution. Tan x by 2 is the t, where tan x by 2 t, and dx is the 2 into dt upon 1 plus t square. Dx is the 2 into dt upon 1 plus t square. And cos x we can write instead of cos x 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. And the sin x we can take 2t by 1 plus t square. So don't write the formulas. Cos x is 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Sin x is the 2 tan x by 2 by cos x is the 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Sin x is the 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. You have to don't write the every time. We can directly use the cos x is the 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. And sin x is the 2t by 1 plus t square. Dx is the 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Okay, this is the type 2 in the trigonometric functions. Now we are going to discuss about the one example. Okay, now integral 1 upon 5 plus 4 cos x into dx. Integral 1 upon 5 plus 4 cos x, 1 upon 5 plus 4 cos x into dx. Therefore here we are taking tan of x by 2 is the t. Tan x by 2 is the t. But dx is the 2 into dt by 1 plus t square. Now we can write 1 upon 5 plus 4. Already I explained the cos x can be written as directly you can take 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. What we are getting dx is 2 dt, 2 dt, 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Therefore now we can write 2 here. The 1 plus t square is the LCM. 1 plus t square is the LCM. Now multiple with 5. 5 into 1, 5. 5 into t square, 5t square. Now multiple with 4. 4 minus 4 into t square is the 4t square. Here the LCM 1 plus, here LCM is the 1 plus t square. Is there 1 plus t square? These two are cancelled. Therefore here 2 into dt. 2 you can write outside of the integral. Therefore 2 into 1 upon 5t square minus t square is the t square. Is it okay? 5t square minus 4t square is the t square. Then 5 plus 4 is the 9. 9 can be written as 3 square. 5 plus 4 is the 9. 9 is the 3 square. Now we have to compare with this one. Integral 1 upon x square plus a square. Integral 1 upon x square plus a square dx is the 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. Is it okay? Integral 1 upon x square plus a square into dx is the 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. Now this is 1 by a. 1 by a is the 3. Tan inverse of x by a is the t by 3 plus c. Now this can be written as 2 by 3 tan inverse of, where t is the, what is the t here? Tan x by 2. Tan x by 2 upon 3 plus c. Is it okay? All clear? So here 1 minute. How to write this one? The cos x is the 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square, where dx is the 2 dt by 1 plus t square. The LCM is the 1 plus t square. Therefore 5 into 1, 5. 5 into t square, 5t square. After that 5t square minus 4t square is the t square. 5 plus 4 is the 9. 9 is the 3 square. This is we have to compare with integral 1 by x square plus a square into dx is the 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. Where tan inverse of x by a, x is the t, a is the 3. 2 by 3 into tan inverse of t is the tan x by 2 whole by 3 plus c. This is the answer. Okay. So here we find the, evaluate the integral 1 upon 5 plus 4 cos x. Suppose is there here 4 cos 2x, not cos x, 4 cos 2x. How to evaluate this one? Here not tan x by 2t, only tan x is the t. Only tan x we are taking t, but not there here too. Because all of you listen carefully here. When you are taking tan x equal to t, derivative of tan x is the secant square x dx. The derivative of tan x is the secant square x. Therefore, the derivative of tan x is the secant square x dx. The derivative of x is the dx equal to derivative of t is the dt. Secant square x is the form 1 plus tan square x into dx equal to dt. Tan x we are taking the t, therefore we are getting 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square into dx equal to dt. Therefore then we can write here the dx equal to dt upon 1 plus t square. The dx equal to dt upon 1 plus t square. Tan x equal to t, derivative of tan secant square x into dx dt. Secant square x is the 1 plus tan square x, that is the 1 plus t square. Dx equal to dt by 1 plus t square. We are thinking here cos 2x is there but not cos x. When cos x is there, directly we can take tan x by 2 is the t. But we are getting dx equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square. But given question is the either cos 2x or sin 2x, undoubtedly we are taking the only tan x is the t, because the cos 2x is the form, we know that 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. What is the form is the cos 2x? 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. Therefore when you are taking the tan x is the t, undoubtedly this is 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. This is the form of 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Is it okay? 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Therefore now we are looking to find the integral. Therefore now we are find the integral of 1 upon 5 plus 4 cos 2x. Therefore now we can write the integral 1 upon 5 plus 4 into the value of the cos 2x. The value of the cos 2x we can take 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Cos 2x is the 1 minus t square. 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Then also write the dx is the, what is the dx is here? dt upon 1 plus t square. Therefore here the LCM is the 1 plus t square, that is multiple with here 5. 5 into t square, 5 t square. Therefore 4 minus 4 t square. LCM and this one cancel. We are getting only the dt. Now this is 1 upon 5 t square minus 4 t square. 5 t square minus 4 t square is the t square. 5 plus 4 is the 9. 9 can be written as 3 square. So this is compared with the 1 by integral 1 by x square plus a square. Integral 1 by x square plus a square into dx. This is the form of 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. Integral 1 upon x square plus a square into dx is the 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. Integral 1 upon x square plus a square into dx is the 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. Therefore now we can write here 1 by a is the 1 by 3. 1 by a is the 1 by 3. Therefore tan inverse of x by a is the t by 3 plus c. Therefore now we can write the 1 by 3 tan inverse of, where t, what is the t is here? We are taking the tan x is the t. Already I explained the cos 2x is the form 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. When cos x is there, we know that the cos x is the form 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Therefore in that case we are taking the tan x by 2 is the t. But now we are taking the tan x equal to t. Therefore we can write 1 by 3 tan inverse of, where t is the tan x by 3 plus c is the required answer. So don't confuse in this case. When the cos x, cos 2x or sin 2x there, we are write both cases, either cos x or cos 2x. either sin x or sin 2x. We can simply write 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Either sin x or sin 2x, you can write simply 2t by 1 plus t square. In that case, we are taking the t is the tan x by 2. In this case, t is the only tan x, but the dx is the dt by 1 plus t square. In that case, the dx is the 2 dt by 1 plus t square. That is the simple comparison. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about the type 3. Okay. So now we are going to discuss about the type 3 to evaluate the integral of the type. So the integral a cos x plus b sin x upon c cos x plus d sin x. So how to evaluate this one? First we can take the numerator. A into denominator plus b into d by dx of the denominator. So first of all, we have to take a into, first of all, numerator equals to a into denominator and b into d by dx of denominator. What is the numerator in the given integral? A cos x plus b into sin x. A into the denominator is the c cos x plus d sin x. B into the d by dx of the denominator. The derivative of the denominator is, everybody know that the derivative of the cos x is the minus sin x. Therefore, minus c sin x. Is it okay? Now the derivative of the sin x is the cos x, d cos x. From this, we have to find the values of a and b. Okay, we are getting the condition here. When you are taking, we take the numerator equal to a into denominator plus b into d by dx of the denominator. When we can apply that one, now we are looking to find the values of a and b. First we have to compare on both sides the coefficient of the cos x. The coefficient of the cos x in the above equation. Therefore, that implies the coefficient of here, this is the CA. C into A, CA. Here the coefficient of cos x is the D into B is the DB equals to cos x coefficient is the A. Now equating the coefficients of the sin x. The sin x coefficient is here A into D. A into D is the dA. Okay, understand? Here the coefficient of sin x is the A into D dA. Now here the coefficient of sin x is the minus CB equals to, that is the B. Okay, is it okay? Now we have to find the AB values by taking the cross multiplication method. First it is the D plus A sending other side minus A. After that C. Finally you can take D. Now this is the minus C plus B is the minus B. Now we can, the coefficient of A is the D, we can take minus C. We know that first B coefficient D minus A, C again D. This is the A by, this is B by, this is 1 by. Now we can write A upon, what is we are getting here? Now A upon here, what we are looking, this is the A. How to find the A? Now this is the minus BD. Is it okay? Minus BD minus here the A by is the, we are getting A by is the, what is the AB here? B into D, BD. Therefore BD minus AC minus BD minus B into D minus BD, here plus AC, that is the minus of AC. Are you okay here? This is the minus of BD, this is the minus of minus plus, we are taking here minus BD, AD minus BC method, minus BD, now here plus AC we are getting, but minus AC. Now another method is minus of AD but in this case we are taking opposite sign. Minus BC is the plus BC. Finally we can write here 1 upon minus C square plus D square is the, in this case, minus sign. Therefore here what is the value of A? This is sending to this one. After multiplication with minus, A equal to AC plus BD by C square plus D square. Is it clear? What is getting A? A is the AC plus BD by C square plus D square. But B, how to get the B? B is sending to the up here. Now we can multiply with the minus AD minus BC. AD minus BC by C square plus D square. Is it clear? These are the values of A and B. After getting the values of A and B, to evaluate the given integral, its solution is the very easiest method. So how to find this one, sir? Here this is the numerator. When you can divide it by numerator, this is the numerator. Therefore we can divide it with this one on both sides. We are getting A cos x, B sin x whole by divided with this one C cos x plus D sin x equals to A by this one. Denominator are the cancel. We are getting the A. A is the value. What is the value of A? We are getting AC plus BD by C square plus D square. Is it okay? We can divide it with this one. This complete one divided by C cos x plus D sin x. C cos x, D sin x is cancelled. We are getting the only A. A is that value. Now this is, what is the value of B? B is the, what is the B? AD minus BC by C square plus D square. Here B is the AD minus BC by C square plus D square, and B is there minus C sin x plus D cos x upon, so upon we have to divide it which term? Denominator, C cos x plus D sin x. C cos x plus D sin x. Is it clear? Now we can apply the integral also both sides. Integral with respect to dx, integral constant this one 1 dx, integral dx. What is the answer here? AC plus BD by C square plus D square, integral 1 into dx, integral 1 into dx, integral 1 into dx, integral 1 into dx is the x. AD minus BC upon C square plus D square. This is the method of f dash of x by f of x. This is the method of f dash of x by f of x. When we have to compare that integral f dash of x by f of x, this is the log mod of f of x. Log mod of f of x. That is log mod of C cos x plus D sin x. This is the answer. Log mod of C cos x plus D sin x. So we can thinking here the numerator equals to, we can write in this case of the type 3, if the integral A cos x plus B sin x upon C cos x plus D sin x, then we take the numerator equals to A into denominator plus B into d by dx of the denominator. But we are getting the answer is AC plus BD by C square plus, we are getting AC plus BD by C square plus D square into x plus AD minus BC upon C square plus D square into log mod of denominator. Log mod of the denominator. Therefore, this is the method. So first we can compare the cos x and sin x coefficients. After getting the A and B values, those are substituting in that. After that, divided by the denominator on both sides, we are getting this one. Therefore, we can write here when the integral is A cos x plus B sin x upon C cos x plus D sin x into dx. When the integral is in the a cos x plus b sin x upon c cos x plus d sin x, then it will be AC, A into C, AC. All of you please remember this one. This method is used in competitive, at the same time board point of view also it is very important. You can write directly the method. You can write, we can take the directly use this method. AC plus BD upon C square plus D square into X. AC plus BD upon C square plus D square into X, and AD minus BC upon C square plus D square into log mod of the denominator is the C cos x plus D sin x, C cos x plus D sin x plus C. This is the formula. AC plus BD upon C square plus D square into X plus AD minus BC upon C square plus D square into log mod of the denominator. Is it okay? Evaluate the integral 3 cos x plus 2 sin x upon 4 cos x plus 3 sin x into dx. Okay, this is the a cos x plus b sin x upon c cos x plus d sin x. Recently we are taking the form AC plus BD by, just now we completed this one, AC plus BD upon, just now we completed this form, a cos x plus b sin x plus c cos x plus d sin x. What is the form here? First we are compared with a, b, these are the CD. So AC plus BD by c square plus d square into x plus AD minus BC upon c square plus d square log mod of the denominator plus c. Now we can write AC. AC is the 3 4s are 12. AC plus BD 2 into 3 is the 6 upon c square plus d square is the 16 plus 3 square is the 9. Now AD minus BC, 3 into 3 is the 9, AD 3 3s are 9, minus BC is the 4 2s are 8. C square plus D square is the 16 plus 9, log mod of the denominator is the 4 cos x plus 3 sin x plus c. Okay, now this is 18 by 25 into x, 18 by 25 into x. Now 9 minus 8 is the 1 by 25 into log mod of the denominator is the 4 cos x plus 3 sin x plus c. This is the answer. Okay, is it okay? This is the one of the very important one. Here the integral 1 upon 1 plus tan x. How to write this one? Integral 1 upon 1 plus tan x into dx. How to evaluate this one? We are taking here the integral 1 upon sin x by cos x into dx. Everyone, we know that tan x is the form sin x by cos x. Now we are taking the LCM is the cos x, that will be sending to the up, that is cos x by cos x plus sin x into dx. Is it okay? We are taking the LCM is cos x, therefore cos x plus sin x, this one be sending to the numerator. So we can here taking 0 sin x also. This is the one, a cos x, we have to compare with a cos x plus b sin x upon c cos x plus d sin x. Here a is 1, b is 0, c is 1, d is 1. So this is, we have to compare with a cos x plus b sin x upon c cos x plus d sin x. Therefore we are writing here How to write this one? AC plus BD. Everybody looking here. AC plus BD. AC plus BD is the, here we can write AC is the 1 plus BD is the 0 upon C square plus D square is the 1 plus 1 into X. AD minus BC. AD is the 1 into 1 is the 1 minus BC is the 0 by C square plus D square is the 1 plus 1 log mod of denominator. Denominator is the cos of X plus sin of X plus C. Okay, therefore we can write, first write AC plus BD, C square plus D square. After that AD minus BC, that will be right. Now we can write here the 1 by 2 into X, 1 by 2 into X. Similarly 1 by 2 into the log mod of denominator is the cos of X plus sin of X plus C. This is the answer. Suppose here the denominator is cot X is there, we can write simply the cot X is the cos X by sin X. We can sending to the sin X in the up. Therefore 0 cos X plus 1 into sin X upon cos X plus sin X into dx. Is it clear? So these two are some special cases, special models to evaluate the integrals of the form. So to evaluate the integrals of the form, suppose a sin x, integral is in the form a sin x plus b upon a plus b sin x whole square. We are looking here a before sin, a into sin x, but here b into sin x. Similarly, we can replace it by sin x is the cos x. We are getting a into cos x plus b upon a plus b cos x whole square into dx. How to evaluate these type of integrals? So the first integral, divide both numerator and denominator. Numerator and denominator. Divide both numerator and denominator by cos square x. Cos square x. Is it okay? Cos square x. This one and this one are multiply with secant square x. Either multiply with secant square x or divided by cos square. Both are same. Then we are taking here a secant x plus b tan x. Then next, after we are taking a tan x, a secant x plus b tan x equal to t. Then you are taking a secant x, b into tan x be taken some t. Similarly, when it is a cos x plus b upon a plus b cos x whole square, we have to multiply cosecant square x both nr and denominator are divisible by are divided both nr and denominator by sin square x. Multiple with cosecant square or divided by sin square x. Both are same. Then we are taking a into cosecant x plus b into cot x equal to t. A into cosecant x plus b into cot x is the t. These are the two special type integrals. So I will take one example. Suppose instead of sin x plus 3 into dx upon 2 plus 3 sin x whole square. So if the numerator and denominator is containing the sin x term, what we are thinking here, either multiply or divided. Multiply both nr and dr with secant square x. With secant square x. Numerator and denominator both are multiply with secant square x. So here the secant square x is nothing but 1 by cos square x. Secant square x is nothing but 1 by cos square x. Now here multiple with this one. 2 into sin x by cos x is the tan x. 1 by cos x is the secant x. Therefore this is the 2 secant x into tan x. Are you clear? Thus cos square x means secant square x is the 1 by cos square x. Multiple with this one. That becomes sin x by cos square x is the secant x tan x. Sin by cos. 1 time cos is the tan. Now this is 3 into multiple with secant square x whole into dx upon, we can multiple with secant square x. This is secant square x into a square into b square is the a into b whole square. When the index are equal, when the powers are equal, a power m into b power m is the ab whole power m. A power m, b power m is the a into b whole power m. Like this secant square x. Like this secant square x, that means 2 secant x. Okay. Now here the 2 into secant x. Here 3 into sin x into secant x. 3 into sin x into secant x. We know that the secant x is the reciprocal of the cos. Therefore now this is 3 into tan x. 3 into tan x upon whole square. Is it clear? We can write here 2 into secant x. Therefore sin x into secant x. Secant x is the 1 by cos. Therefore we can take this one with t. Put, we are taking 2 into secant x. 2 into secant x. 3 into tan x is the t. 2 into secant x plus 3 into tan x is the t. Therefore now we are looking here, the derivative of secant x is differentiating on both sides. Derivative of secant x is the secant x into tan x. 3 into derivative of tan is the secant square x. Derivative of x is the dx. Then it is the derivative of t is the dt. Therefore the 2 secant x into tan x plus 3 secant square x into dx, we are getting t. That's why the entire 1 by this is we are taking t, that is a t square into dt. Everybody know that the integral 1 by t square is the minus 1 by t. If we are forget this one, we have to write t power minus 2 dt. This is we have to compare with x power n. The integral x power n is the x power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. T power minus 2 is the t power minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1. This is the t power minus 1 minus 1. Then it will be minus 1 by t plus c. Minus 1 by t plus c. What is the t is here? 2 secant x plus 3 tan x. Now is clear. Minus 1 by the t is the 2 into secant x plus 3 into tan x plus c. Therefore we can write here, taking the LCM is the cos x. 2 by cos x. 3 into sin x by cos x. Now we are sending to the cos x is the up. Therefore this is the minus of cos x. 2 plus 3 sin x plus c. Is it okay? Is it right? We can write the secant x is minus 1 upon 2 by cos x. 3 into sin of x by cos of x. Therefore, LCM is the cos x. Therefore, minus of cos x upon 2 plus sin x. Here the cos x is the LCM, that is sending to the numerator. Therefore, this is the answer. What is the thinking here? When the numerator and the denominator, one of the term is containing sin x and the denominator is must be whole square there. When sin x is there, it is a multiple with the secant square x. When cos x is there, therefore suppose 2 cos x plus 3 upon 2 plus 3 cos x whole square, undoubtedly we have to multiply both numerator and denominator with the cosecant square x. Here we have to multiple with secant square x. When we have to multiple with secant square x, this is the 2 secant x tan x. This is the secant square x. Here 2 into secant x, this one. 2 into secant is the 1 by cos, that is the tan x. When it is the derivative of this one. Derivative of secant x tan x. Derivative of tan x is secant square x. Entirely this one is the dt, this is the t square. 1 upon t square, 1 by t square dt is the minus 1 by t. Where t is the, what is the t is here? 2 secant x plus 3 tan x. Secant is the 1 by cos. Tan is the sin by cos. We are taking the LCM is cos x. Cos x is sending to the up. Minus cos x upon 2 plus 3 sin x. Is it okay? 2 plus 3 sin x. Therefore, 2 by cos x, 3 sin x by cos x. Cos x is the LCM. This is that is sending to the numerator. Minus cos x upon 2 plus 3 sin x plus c. Is it okay? Right. Okay. This is today. Let us continue the tomorrow class. We will discuss about the type 4 in the rational trigonometric functions. Okay, thank you all.